Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of Google Apps Sheets and learn how to create a custom menu that will revolutionize your workflow. Hi everyone, it's Linda again. And if you're a beginner AppScript developer or a Google Sheets user looking to take your Google Sheets skills to the next level, then this video will be perfect for you. Let's break it down. We'll begin by writing a function that creates a custom menu using the onOpen trigger. This function will add a menu item to Google Sheets interface as soon as the sheet is opened, hence the term onOpen. Once the menu is added, it'll give us access to our additional functions and automation features. Let's run it. First, we need to save it and then run it. Once it's run, it'll automatically show up. But also, if you reload the sheet again, whenever an onload fires, it'll automatically load our custom menu. Now I want to show you a couple of functions that I use to log my time for my clients. I have one that basically clears the formatting on a cell, and then I have one that clears the cell itself, basically because I can't be bothered to hit Control-A in a cell and clear it. Then I have another one that sets a timestamp and prompts me for the email address of my client. I tend to use your email address as a way of knowing who my clients are. This doesn't always work if I have contact with more than one person in a company, but for the most part it works. So as you can see, this simple menu that I like to use makes my workflow a lot faster. I hope it's something that you might find interesting. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any additional ideas of what we could use to speed up productivity within Google Sheets using custom menus. I'm always open for additional ideas from others. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something quick and easy, and as always, I hope to see you again.